How to copy table in Google Sheet and paste in another. Need to move a table from one sheet to another. Here's the fastest way to copy and paste tables in Google Sheet. First thing you can do is to go ahead and select the table that you want to copy. So for example, I want to copy this specific table. The first method you can do is to click on Control A on your keyboard, and that will allow you to easily select all of the information from the sheet. Click on Control Copy and then head to that other sheet and paste it there, and all of it would be pasted. Now, another thing you can do if you want to copy this into a different sheet or an existing sheet is to click on the down icon at the right side of that sheet tab, and then click on Copy To, and then select existing spreadsheet, and then search for the name of the spreadsheet here, and then go ahead and proceed on copying this tab into that. Now, if you want to copy the sheet into a new spreadsheet, click on this down arrow at the right side of the name of the sheet tab, and then select Copy To, and then select New Spreadsheet. That is how to copy table in Google Sheet and paste in another.